So one thing I've massively been working on is organisation. So started putting up these boards to put tooling and fixtures and things on. This is just these are hung up with French cleats. So at any point you can move the board. If you move the machine, the board can move with it and can just move things around. So I've just started putting up, been making all these custom little holders. Keep your vernier caliper up there. Just my torch. This one's for the Z height probe for the CNC. Just made this one here for 3D probe. It just slots in through there. That's all mounted on. Silly things like the rubber gloves. That's all on there as well. And then I've also been doing them over here. So over here we've got holds all my clamps on the side there. Got one for the collets, ER20 collets, the spanners, the fast miter glue for fixing down jobs on the CNC. That one at the top there holds right angle blocks. Stop. So that's for that one there. Takes two of them on there. Yeah, so I've been putting them up, and then I've got some more boards painted ready to go up. So what we're going to do is have a little board up over here, and this is going to be for fibre laser stuff. So there's the 30 watt, and then there's the 50 watt, and then I've just made these. So just came up with these. So I put one of my discs on the front there. There's a recess in the front for the disc. 110, that's the 110mm lens, which is currently in the laser, and just holds the. Just need to get the that off. It's got two little finger pockets to pick the lens out, and then at the back there, it's got two wall mounting screw hook holes. So they're going to go up on a panel, one above the other. So that's how they look, like that. And then here's my other two lenses I've got. So we've got the 200 and the 300, and I'd like to add an 80 to it as well. So as you can see, this is the 200, and then you've got the two little finger thumb hooks or whatever. So you can just take your lens out. Just sits back in there. That'll sit on the wall. And then we've got the 300. Just sits in there like that. So they're going to mount up on the wall, one underneath the other, like so. Not quite as close, obviously. Need space to get them out. That's just going to help keep them tidy and easily accessible. So yeah, I'm just working on these tidy parts at the moment. As you can see, I've got my little tidy trays. They printed those, just keep discs in, etc. as I'm doing them. So tidying, making things easier to work with, and I'm thinking about adding these in the store. So if anybody's interested, if you've got a fibre laser and you want to keep your lenses organised, I can add these in the store, supply them with the discs, but I can send you the disc blank with it, so you can just fibre laser on your own size of lens on there, and then yeah, you can wall mount them. You don't have to wall mount them, you could just leave them sitting on the side like that if you want, next to each other. You could just have your lenses like that, but I'm going to wall mount mine and just keep them tidy next to the machine. So yeah, that's what I've been working on, some organisation stuff, and lots more of that to come. I like everything in its nice tidy little place. So thanks for watching. If you want to see any more custom sort of holders, tooling, let me know, and I'll see what I can design up, and yeah, I can stick them in the store. If anybody wants one, just head over to shop.smellycatcreations.com and you can get one of these for your fibre laser. Thanks for watching.